like this.
Hi, Michael from the Classic Car Club. Shane from the Classic Car Club. We're talking about hydrophobics today. I have dystitchophobia, which is the fear of crashing. In my case, crashing motorcycles in particular. We're also going to talk about hydrophobia, which is kind of like the fear of water, but not really. We'll get into it. This is a 1969 Bronco. It's really popular with our members in the summer. It'll come in on a Friday.
Go right back out on Saturday.
So we want to make it sure it's clean. We want to make sure that orange pops. We want to make sure people going to Hamptons upstate are in a beautiful glossy Bronco, but we don't have the time to give it a full wash and then give it a secondary coat of our hydrophobic property. Hydrophobics, by the way, is when it repels the water off the paint. It takes all the decontaminants with it, and you get that really beautiful beady water. They were using Bathe Plus. Bathe Plus is just like Bathe from Geon, your everyday automotive car wash soap. What makes this one a little different is it has hydrophobic properties within it. So one shot, we wash, and we get the beading as a result of it. So it's basically like washing a car every other time, but how do you use this product a little bit differently?
So the only difference was that we're gonna wash in sections. So we're gonna spray this off. Michael, go ahead.
You just did it already, so I'm gonna spray it off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that. So I could actually see where you've applied it and where you haven't.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's kind of cut down the middle. The water's all real flat over there.
Yeah.
It's beading over here.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, super easy, sort of all in one. We just kind of work in sections, work through it. You still get through the car really fast, but this time we don't have to go back afterwards and apply an after wash coating.
What about all the plastics and the chrome that this thing, like this has a lot more chrome than other cars. It has different paint textures, it has graphics. The windows, does it matter? Do we have to be tight with it?
Yeah, no. Similar to wet, the Bathe Plus is great for everything. Great for the windshield, great for vinyl, great for tops. It's going to have that same hydrophobic sort of effect on all materials. So.
Looks good.
Yeah.
And then the next time it comes back, because it's got that hydrophobic coat repelling the water, all the contaminants that get on it when it's at the beach, especially salt water, all that's in the air.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier to get it off. The coating's actually repelling it. Super easy. You get really good beading. Do it in one wash. You don't have to add layer and layer every time you wash your car. Bathe Plus, really simple. Small little areas, get it on anything, spray it off as you're going, and you get a really nice finish. It looks great. Genuinely looks great. It's ready to go out to the Hamptons, wherever member's going to bring it next.